Minute. I'm Dan Moyle. I'm here today with Joe Daly. Joe is our resident expert on the 203K loan program. We've heard the term flipping foreclosures. You buy a cheap house, do a few fixes and sell it. People are making money off that. But if I'm looking to buy in a house as an owner occupied, I want to live here, but I'm only going to be here for a few years. It's kind of a first step house. Can I still do that? Is there a minimum time I have to be in the house with this?
Yes, HUD does not want people to use FHA financing to acquire rental property or to flip homes. I think the definition of flipping homes is probably more short term than what you're talking about. When you say buying a home, fixing it up, and per se flipping it or selling it in 3 years, that is probably not a definition of flipping. Okay. Flipping would be buying it in March and then selling it by October for a profit that's, unreasonable almost. There's nothing against the law, there's nothing against the law that says you can't buy housing stock and sell it for a profit. Flipping is really a term used for investors, where investors are buying home for, let's say, 40, putting $10,000 of paint and carpet and making it kind of pretty, and then finding a way for it to appraise and sell for 100, where it really wasn't justified. And then you have an owner occupant come in, buy the home for 100, realizing that in years gone by that the home was never really worth 100 but less. So flipping is really not an economy friendly solution to a lot of housing stock. But then again, buying housing stock, fixing it up, and Dan, you have to realize that a lot of these properties have good buys right now. The average foreclosure sells 38% below what the average market value is. Even if you needed 25% to fix the house up, okay? So you're buying housing stock, 62 cents, on the dollar. You might only need 20 or 25 cents on the dollar to fix it up, creating instant equity for the buyers once all the repairs are done. So a lot of good buys out there right now. Why not choose a 203K loan to finance in the repairs, create yourself some equity position, so when you do sell in a couple of years, you've got a nice down payment for your second home or third home.
Yeah, so it could not just a rehab loan or renovation loan, but it's kind of an instant equity loan.
Instant equity loan, right. If you buy right and you have a realtor, a professional realtor that can help you with, what will values be like in 6 months when I'm done with my renovations, or in a year or 2 years, I might have a win here. You can buy the house across the street at the dollhouse that someone already did. You're gonna pay a premium price for that, aren't you?
Yeah, right.
Or you can go the opposite way once you know and are kind of schooled on 203K lending. Buy it for 60, put 20 in it, have it worth 95, 98, 100. That's like a good buy for me.
Sounds like a great just opportunity all around for neighborhoods, for buyers, for everybody.
Right, yeah. So from first-time home buyers, second-time home buyers, step-down borrowers, you may have an older couple moving from, an empty nester situation. They're in a 2,000 square foot 2-story. They want to go down to a ranch. They love this developed area. It's been around for a long time, but it was built in the 50s or the 60s. What does it need? It needs a facelift. Even seniors can use the 203K loan to make it their home. Take a house they like and make it the home they love for the 203K.